Hi everyone, my name's Iris. I'm the founder of the Quick Flick, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to get the perfect wing using our Quick Flick eyeliner stamp. As the Quick Flick is a waterproof formula, it's really important that you properly set and prime your eyes before actually applying the product. So I always recommend priming your eyes with an oil-free concealer and then setting that with a translucent powder. Then you can go on and apply whatever eyeshadow or glitter that you want to wear before applying the Quick Flick eyeliner stamp. Today I'm going to be applying my Quick Flick wings using our most popular shape, which is the modest 10mm, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how I recommend to apply it to get the quickest and easiest wings. So the easiest way to figure out where to actually place your stamp is to line up the very bottom of the wing of the stamp to the very edge of your lash line. So once you've lined up the stamp, gently press it in place and then remove to reveal the perfect wing. So on the opposite end of your Quick Flick, you'll find a felt tip liner that you can use to complete the rest of your look. So I like to draw the line from the very corner of my eye and then join it up with the top of the stamp like so. And then you can just really easily fill in the gaps and join everything up. So once you've done this, all you need to do is replicate this on your other eye. So again, lining up the stamp with the edge of your lash line, pressing it gently in place, and then using your felt tip liner to fill in and create the rest of your perfect cat eye. You can then apply your favourite mascara or your favourite set of false lashes, and then you're done. And there you go, that is exactly how easy it is to get the perfect wing using the Quick Flick.